Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Stripe payments for insurance agency client invoices step by step clearly. To configure Stripe payments for insurance agency client invoices, start by logging into your Stripe account. Navigate to the dashboard. Click on the settings icon in the bottom left corner. Under Payments, select Payment Methods. Ensure that the credit card option is enabled. Next, navigate to the Invoices section in the dashboard. Select Settings within the Invoices section. Turn on the feature to allow online payments for invoices. Now, go to the API section in the settings. Here, you will find your API keys. Copy the publishable key and secret key. Open your insurance agency's invoicing software or system. Look for a section to manage payment gateways or integrations. Paste the publishable key and secret key into the respective fields. Save your changes. Navigate to your invoicing template or invoice creation area. Add a payment link to your invoices. Test the payment flow by sending a sample invoice to yourself. Review the invoice to ensure the payment link is working correctly. Once confirmed, you can begin invoicing clients with the new Stripe payment option. Make sure to monitor transactions through the Stripe dashboard. Regularly check for any updates or new features that might enhance your payment process. If you encounter issues, refer to the Stripe support documentation for further assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.